T-Money fam? We back again with another video. Actually, another shoe review. It's not like no vlog, but it's another shoe review. I'll see y'all like my last one because it got comments and it got some views. So I'm back with another one. Like, I'm gonna be dropping them back to back to back if y'all keep liking them. But today, before we start, make sure y'all subscribe, like, comment, because that's all I'm asking for. We on a road to 1K. Let's get the views popping so I can get more bangers popping and rolling for y'all. I'm back on campus, so you already know what's up. It's up and it's stuck. Anyways, I just took out my hair. Let's have a moment of silence for the haircut. 1 second. Let's get into the first shoe. If y'all know me, you know this is my favorite color, so I had to get a shoe with this type of color in it. But we have a box. What do y'all think is in here? If y'all really know, if y'all sneakerheads, I'm a sneakerhead, but not really. But a box. Flight. It's Jordan, of course, I don't see. Boom, we open it up. Turn me up. Y'all, these shoes are from TrueShoes.ru. This is the WhatsApp. I'm gonna put all this in the comments. In the description below if you really want to cop. But make sure y'all do use my code Tyler, for $15 off. Who don't want no money off? Oh, right. Without further ado, let's open it up. Bow. Look at the shoe. Beautiful, ain't it? Boop. Bada bop on. Pow. Oh! Y'all, this is the shoe. Let me figure out the name. The Fire Forest. I'm gonna call them the Fire Forest. They're white and red. Fire. Jordan 4. Fire Forest. Fire Forest. Yeah, y'all. I have one for right now. I love Forest. My second favorite Jordan in the world. But this is really good quality. It's very sturdy. Has it's the insides of it. It's like, come on. It's an all white. It's a mostly white shoe. I don't really have that much white shoe, so I'm glad I copped the shoe with white and my favorite color in it. My two favorite colors, black and red. But I'm literally can't wait to style these. Like, come on, y'all. Like, I tried to get a shoe like this a few years ago, but let me grab the other shoe so y'all can feel the double wrath that's coming through the screen. Like, come on, these are tough. These are tough. Like, come on. Like, just get a look at the whole shoe within itself. Like, come on. This is the whole shoe. Top view, side view, back view, other side view, front view, view. But y'all, I haven't put these on yet, but I just know that these are quality work. And $15 off, they're not much. Like I said, when it's time to ball on a budget, ball on a budget. Don't, come on. Half these other shoes ain't, come on. But yeah, cop the shoe. You see it. Is it fire enough for you? Is it? Oh, okay. Oh, okay. I'm not gonna put on a fit with these, but make sure y'all do follow the Instagram so y'all see me with the fit on with these, because I will be posting a fit soon. So don't worry. Maybe even tomorrow. You don't know. But like I said, cop the shoe from TrueShoes.ru. Everything will be in the description below with the WhatsApp, with the number. And that's all you got. Like I said, use code Tyler for $15 off at checkout and let them know that I brought you. Like, come on. But this is a nice shoe. Recommend the shoe. I believe these low-key came out not too long ago, so you can still cop them right now as you can. Right now. But yeah, y'all. Love y'all. T-Money is out, and see y'all in the next video.